Today I'm going to show you how to make this, which is a label that you can put on your laptop. So first you want to import the image that you want your initials or whatever it is that you're going to do. And then I also want to add a circle vine kind of outline. So I just go into Google and I Google that. And then I go to the images. And let's take a look here. Just kind of scrolling through to see if anything catches my eye. A lot of times you can just click on an image and it'll show you different ones if you don't like the ones that you do see here, which I don't. So I'm going to click on this one here. And there we go, that's the one that I like. And you want to choose something that doesn't have any lines or any watermarks, because those would be the easiest ones to just clean up whenever you go into editing it on your Cricut. So you save it onto your files. And I'm just going to save it as Vine. Alright, so now you want to upload the image, and I already have it uploaded, but I'm going to do it again so that you guys can see how I did that pretty easy actually. And I'm going to click on complex, continue, and I'm going to choose advanced options because I want it to erase a lot of it. So if I just do 60, pretty much it cleans everything up, so you can still zoom in to make sure that you didn't miss any spots. And mine looks good. So you want to save it as a cut image because you want to cut it, not a print and cut. And now we're going to insert the image into our canvas. There we go. And now you want to adjust it to whatever size you want it. And even after adjusting it, you can also rotate it if you don't like it there. If you prefer it on the side, you can do that too. And I'm going to make that a little bit wider. There we go. That looks good. So now I also want to make sure that it's in the middle of the whole image, the letters are. And I'm going to click on that, and I want to attach it all now so that nothing moves and everything stays in its spot. So now what I'm going to do is adjust it according to how I want it to sit on the laptop. In this case, this will be placed right next to the mouse in a laptop. So it's going to be a bit small. You can make this longer, you can make it wider, whatever your preference is. That looks good, so I'm going to go ahead and make this. And in this case, you don't have to mirror anything because you want it to come out like that, and it's not going to be like a heat transfer or anything. Now let's go to our Cricut. This is my favorite part. I love to watch this little machine just go. Like, it's so crazy to me how precise this machine is, and like who created this? First of all, this is so cool. Let me slow it down for y'all. Look at this. You see that little needle there? It's just doing its thing. How amazing. Okay. Enough of that. Now let's take it out. Take a look at this. What? It's like so perfect. All right, so now I'm gonna cut it out and I'm going to start weeding it. This is a process that I like. It helps me just, you know, crafting is kind of like meditation for some, and it helps other people relax. So I guess this is something that helps me. So this is the finished product. Look at that, very nice. And I'm going to apply my transfer paper onto it. And I want to also scrape it just to make sure that it's all stuck onto the transfer paper, so that whenever we put it on our laptop or whatever surface we want to put it to, it's completely stuck onto the transfer paper. Now I'm gonna peel it and show you guys what this looks like. Look at that. Oh, there we go. And that's it. And now it's ready to be applied wherever you like. In this case, it's going on a laptop. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other ones. I will try to post at least one video a week. And if you try this yourself, tag me on it. I like to see what you created. Thanks for watching.